The gentleman in the flat cap says 500. 500. It's an amazing piece of art. Totally unique. 500 so far to the gentleman in the flat cap. Do I hear 510? Do I hear 510 at the front? 520? Do I hear 520? He's thinking. He's thinking. It's with you, madam, at 510. 520. 550 to the gentleman in the flat cap. It's hotting up. 550 is against you, madam. Do I hear 560? Yes, 560. Do I hear 570? 560 to the lady with the leather handbag. Do I hear 570? It's going once. We've got 560 here. Do I hear 570? 570 to the gentleman behind you. Do I hear 580? There's a new bidder. 580 to the gentleman in the glasses. 590 to the gentleman in the flat cap. Do I hear 600? 590, 600 to the gentleman in the glasses. 700. 700 to the gentleman in the flat cap. 700 over here. Do I hear 710? 710 for this unique, titled and dedicated piece of art. 700 to the gentleman in the flat cap. Do I hear 710? 710 to the gentleman in the glasses. Do I hear 720? 710 to the gentleman in the glasses. It's against you, sir. 720. 750 to the gentleman in the flat cap. Do I hear 760? 760 to the lady with the leather handbag. 760. Do I hear 770? 760 to the lady with the 770 over here. 770 to the gentleman with the glasses. Do I hear 780? 770 over here. It's against both of you. 770. Do I hear 780? 780 to the gentleman in the flat cap. 780. Do I hear 790? 790 for this piece in full colour. 800 to the gentleman in the flat cap. It's history. It's history. 800 to the gentleman in the flat cap. Do I hear 810? Do I hear 810 for this? Yes, 8. Is that a bid? 810 over here. Do I hear 820? Do I hear 830? We've got 830. Thank you, sir. Do I hear 840? 840 over here. 840 to the gentleman in the flat cap. Do 850? Do I hear 860? It's 850 over here. Do I hear 860? 860 to the waving lady. 860 over here. Do I hear 870 to the gentleman in the glasses? 880. Do I hear 880? It's with you, sir, for 870. Do I hear 880? 870 over here for this finale. This colour piece of art. 880 over here. Against you, sir. 880. Do I hear 890? Do I hear 890? Who's going to push it one more? Do I hear 890? Thank you, sir, in the glasses. Do I hear 900? 900 to the lady in the front with the leather handbag. 900 to the lady in the front. Do I hear 910? 1,000. Okay, the stakes are high. We have 1,000 over here for this full colour, stroke by stroke piece of original art for this first post-lockdown Louis Matty Bow and the Top Cats gig. We have £1,000 over here. Do I hear 1,010? Do I hear 1,010? The lady in the top hat says, come on. Do I hear 1,010? You together? Okay. 1,000 over here. It's going once. It's going twice. Sold! For £1,000. This amazing piece of art. You will never forget it. Oscar will never forget it. We will all remember the night that we came out of lockdown. Louis brought us together in St. Peter's Church, and Oscar created this amazing portrait of Natty Bow and the Top Hats in colour. And thank you to you for bidding. You are feeding people who have nowhere to sleep. You are welcoming people from the streets of our cold winter city. You have done an amazing thing tonight. Let's give them a big round of applause for the conglomerate over here. Now friends, it's not over. It's not over because not all of us have such